Once a king had announced that anyone who wanted the post of a personal assistant must meet him. Many people gathered in the palace. The king led them to a pond and said, "Whoever will fill this pond's water in this pot will be chosen for the post. But remember, there is a hole in the pot." So many people left without a single try, while some people tried for once, and then they said, "The king has already chosen someone else. Let's go." But one man kept filling the pot with pond water patiently. He filled the water in the pot from the pond and came out on the ground. But always within a few moments, the water poured on the ground completely. He tried that uncountable numbers of times. At last, the pond became empty, and the man found a diamond ring in the empty pot, and he gave it to the king. At this, the king said, "This ring is a reward of your patience and hard work. You are fit for the job." So the man's patience paid off. Hello everyone, Namaste, Adab and Sat Sri Akal, and welcome to your channel Share Cause You Care. My name is Clement, and in this video I would be explaining 100 ways to boost your self-confidence. This is the fourth part, that is, be patient with yourself. I will explain what patience is and how it is affecting your life if you do not have patience. Watch the video till the end, and if you haven't seen the first part, that is 10 instant confidence builder, just click on the I button. Do like and comment, and if you subscribe to the channel, then I would be notifying you personally about the rest 96 videos of the 100 ways to boost your self-confidence and much more amazing things along with that. So without any delay, let's boom! It is easy to become impatient and frustrated. But just imagine what life would be if Thomas Alva Edison gave up trying to invent the electric light after failing thousands of times. He had lots of ideas and the patience to carry them out. When asked about the attempts that didn't work, Edison said wonderfully, "I did not fail 10,000 times. I just found 10,000 ways that did not work." Yes, as well as being patient, he was persistent, and the two do go together very well. One could say that you need to have the patience to be persistent, or vice versa, but the real truth is that patience comes from a place of believing that you have the answer, or trusting your ability enough that you know you will find them. That is the sense of self-confidence. Self-confidence does not come from sitting on your hand and waiting for something to happen. It is about throwing everything you have against the wall and waiting for something to stick patiently. Then you have to take your time to refine your project. For many, it is the hardest part of the process. Great innovators can be very impatient when it comes to the implementation of their ideas. Well, talking about ideas, if you haven't seen the second part, that is negativity kills confidence, you know what to do. Just click on the I button. Remember that when you are being impatient with yourself, there is no one who can defend you. Our self-imposed deadlines really needs to be changed to preferred timelines. If you miss a deadline, it unconsciously creates anxiety because a part of your brain actually feels as though you will die if the job doesn't get done. That also happens when a person doesn't give you what you think you want when you think you need it. Your mind is really telling you that you may lose something very important to you and can cause some panic. When you are stressed in that way, getting anything done is more problematic. Practicing patience by forcing yourself to take your time can also be done by realizing how you react with people you are close to. If you are impatient with them, it is likely that you will be the same with yourself, and that shows a lack of self-confidence. Learn how to be more patient with yourself when life gets in the way or requires more time than you budgeted by working harder on going with the flow. If you feel yourself starting to get hasty, take a patience pill by simply reminding yourself that Rome wasn't built in a day, and whatever you are involved in is worth the time you are investing. Patience may be a virtue, but is also a necessity in achieving living a self-confident life. So here you go, guys, the mantra of being patient with yourself. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to see more, you know what to do. Just click on the subscribe button below. Till then, have a great time. Peace.
I've been looking for that special one.